How to change your password on MetaTrader 4 app. Are you guys facing issue to change your password on MetaTrader 4 app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaTrader 4 app on your iPhone or laptop devices. Once you open the app, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see the option for setting. Click on it. Now simply click on your profile. Once you click on it, you can see the option for 3 dots. Click on it. Now tap on change password. From here, choose it according to your preference. If you want to change your master password, then tap on master password. Over here, you need to write down your current password. Now write down your new password. Once you write down your password, simply tap on change, which is located at the top right corner of your screen. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna change password on MetaTrader 4 app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.